Hi students, so we're learning about sound, right? So now I have brought a couple of materials that will create sound. I have a plastic spoon, a wooden spoon, and a metal spoon. Now for our pots, I have a small pot made of metal. I have an empty container, a box, and an oatmeal container. Let's make sure to listen very carefully. So we're going to use our auditory senses, okay? Let's start. First, I'm going to try the plastic with all of them. So make sure you listen. Okay, that was just the plastic spoon. Now let's try the wooden one. Now let's try the metal spoon. Which one was louder? So now we're gonna try to do vibrations with rice. Okay, so we're gonna observe our rice, and with sound we're gonna see how much it vibrates. We're gonna first try with the metal and the plastic spoon. I'm sure you're not gonna be able to see this one. Let's try it again with the metal, but this time with the wooden one. And lastly, with the metal one. Now think about it. Are there any drums that make the same sound? Did any drumsticks make the same sound on different drums? Did you see and acknowledge the rice? The reason why I added the rice was to cause vibration. Let's pause and reflect.